Stop and think for a second about how much of your life you have wasted on data entry. I'm talking about the Alt-Tab nightmare. You see a website, you highlight a piece of text, you copy it. You switch to Excel, you paste it. Then you go back and do it again, and again, and again. It is boring, it destroys your focus, and quite frankly, it is the kind of work computers were invented to do for us. If you are still manually copying data from the web in 2026, you are working way too hard. Hi everyone, I'm Ryan, and today I am showing you a tool that is going to give you those hours back. It is called Thunderbit, and it is hands down the most impressive AI web scraper I have used this year. I know the word scraper sounds technical, maybe even a little intimidating. Usually, that implies writing Python code or dealing with complex servers. But Thunderbit is different because it is a no-code solution, built for regular people like you and me. Let's look at their official website to see why this is making such huge waves. Right at the top, you can see they were voted the #1 product of the week on Product Hunt. In the tech world, that is a massive stamp of approval. It tells us that the community has tested this, and it actually delivers. They are trusted by over 100,000 users, which means this isn't some buggy beta software. It is battle-tested. So, how does it actually work in practice? Thunderbit lives as a simple extension in your Chrome browser. When you visit a website, let's say Amazon, LinkedIn, or a real estate site, you just open the Thunderbit sidebar. Because it uses AI, it reads the page just like a human does. You don't need to know HTML or CSS selectors. You simply click on the first piece of data you want, like a product title. Then you click on the price. Thunderbit's AI instantly recognizes the pattern and says, "Oh, I see, you want a list of all products and their prices." It automatically highlights every other matching item on the page. In 2 clicks, you've built a dataset. But the feature that really blows my mind, and the reason I'm making this video, is the deep scraping capability. Most basic tools can only grab what is right in front of you on the list page. But what if the email address you need is hidden inside the profile? Or what if the detailed product specs are on a separate page? Thunderbit solves this. It can automatically click into every single item on a list, navigate to the detail page, scrape the specific info you need, and then go back to the list to do it again for the next item. It automates the actual browsing process. It handles pagination, so if there are 50 pages of results, it will click Next for you automatically. It even handles infinite scroll pages like social media feeds, scrolling down until it captures everything. Now, what do you do with all this data? Thunderbit integrates directly into your existing workflow. You aren't just stuck with a CSV file on your desktop. You can sync the data in real time to Google Sheets, Notion, or Airtable. Imagine setting up a monitor that tracks your competitors' prices every morning and automatically updates your Google Sheet without you lifting a finger. That is the power of automation. They also have a massive library of pre-built templates. If you are looking for leads on LinkedIn or restaurant data on Google Maps, you probably don't even need to set anything up. Just pick a template, click Run, and watch the rows fill up. It is incredibly powerful for sales teams, marketers, and e-commerce business owners. The AI also cleans the data for you. It can reformat phone numbers, fix capitalization, or convert currencies on the fly, so your spreadsheet is clean and ready to use immediately. If you are worried about the cost, the good news is they have a generous free tier to get you started. You can install it right now from the Chrome Web Store and test it out on your favorite site. I have left the link to their official site in the description below. Do yourself a favor and try it out. Stop being a copy-paste machine and start being a data analyst. Let the AI do the heavy lifting. If you found this tool helpful, please hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And subscribe if you want to see more ways to automate your life and business with AI. I'm Ryan, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.